we are entering the Bahubali setting, which has been done new. This was not there last time when I came, and you can see the various paintings, posters there. And there you see the poster, Mahishmati welcomes you. We are walking to Mahishmati. And there you can see that guy teaching arrow to that lady. Oh, yaar, heroine per enava? Anushka. That shows how. There it is. Mahishmati welcomes us.
Welcome to Mahishmati set. सभी लोग set देखते देखते.
We are entering this Bahubali setting. You can find the fort entrance, the various pillars all round, and there you find an elephant which is supposed to come. Maybe the head part of it has been removed, the front part of it has been removed. That's the elephant over there. And they have also provided the photograph. Mani Mandapam. Good sitting over there. Really gigantic settings. Very, very impressive. You can find that also. A huge statue which is supposed to be standing there. Lovely, very tastefully done. A lot of credit should be given.
అమ్మదాహం తీర్చడానికి మూగు జంతువు ప్రాణం ఎక్కడి ఉరకలు వేస్తున్న నా రక్తం సిద్ధంగా ఉంది. జై మై
with the background. வாங்க சம்பத் குலோசா நில்லுங்க, அப்புறம் நீங்க வந்து எடுங்க வாங்க. கம் சம்பத், கம் அண்ட் டேக், கம். இதை கையில் போட்டுங்க. இட்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி ஆன். ஜஸ்ட் இந்த விரல எடுத்துருங்க, மறைச்சிருங்க. இது கையில் வேணால் மாட்டிங்க, விழாமல் இருக்கு. See those huge houses. What a beautiful setting. Beautiful setting. They put a lot of the war music also. There the heroine lady, Anushka with her chain. I feel like seeing the movie once again. One more Shivling here. A lot of photo up here. And a lovely Nandi. Though it is done for setting, it is done very tastefully, very artistically. It's beautiful, Nandi. Beautiful. And you can see that ours is putting that up. We took the frontal view. Now you see the side view with the size of the wheels. Really, the grandeur, the person who has visualized it, it must be complimented for the proportioning, for the grandeur that you want to build in, and for the feeling of creating the awe. Really beautiful. And there is a temple sitting over there. And this is the cage into which the heroine was supposed to have been confined. Some people are taking photos like that also. And here is the pit where she was supposed to have been providing all the sticks, where he was supposed to be burnt finally. And you see those papers coming that depicts the fire. Here you can see Bahubali on top of the elephant.
Photo.
Video. See, he's now on top of the elephant. Now you can see. Now I'm zooming out. Yeah. Now you can see.
வரலையே வந்து மேல டாப் ஆஃப் த பட்டன்
I am now walking up the steps of Mahishmati to the throne. The kingdom of Mahishmati to the throne. There it is. இது அந்த செட்டிங்லாம் போட்டு எடுத்துனா பாருங்களா அவ்வளோ கிராண்டாக இருக்குது சார். These are the Mahishmati soldiers that are standing from a distance. See the settings and photos. That's a huge statue which they must be pulling in. The other part and the body. We found the head outside somewhere. Of the people. And then multiple arrows will come out of that. நீ பார்த்துக்கல படா பூபலி நீயும் பார்க்கலண்ணா கமல் பாஷா ஆமாம் நான் பாருங்கண்ணா இதில் பியூட்டி என்னன்னாக்கா தி எண்ட் ஆஃப் தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ட் தி பிகினிங் ஆஃப் தி செகண்ட் பார்ட் அண்ட் பார்ட் ஆஃப் தி செகண்ட் பார்ட் தி பிகினிங் ஆஃப் தி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ட் வெரி நைஸ்லி கன்சீவ்ட் அண்ட் டேக்கன்.
Hero Prabhas. The same I have probably.
போய் நின்றுக்கோப்பா மூஞ்சி காமி
அப்படியா
ஆமாம் போடு கண்ணாடி எடுத்துரும்
அதெல்லாம் வேணாம் வேற பண்ணுவோம் சரி feel free
you take I'll go
சரி
அப்படியே just to show that's all
missiles complete arrows going straight
come Cherian show your face yeah that is what is
cap you remove
what is the hero's name and that is our friend Cherian posing as Prabhas. Not Rana. Okay, thank you.
चलो
Suresh, I can't say trying his hand, trying his face. Okay, right, got it. It's already, you don't have to press, just to show. Take my shade.
okay
There, that lady is being done to by the hero. The superhero. There, Anushka and Prabhas, and that guy coming over the.
எதோக போனாங்க மக்கள் எல்லாம்
And it was a blockbuster success.
வந்து ஒரு கப்பல் வந்தாங்கப்பா அவன் சொல்றான் பாகுபலி சூப்பரான படம் நான் இதுவரை 10 தடவை பார்த்துட்டேன்.
See, it was taken in probably more than 4 languages. 4-5 languages, and it was a. See those posters. இதுக்குன்னு ஒரு புது லாங்குவேஜ் ஒன்று கண்டுபிடிச்சு ஒரு விதேசி லோகர் கம்மிங் அண்ட் மேக்கிங் அன் அக்ரெஷன் ஆன் திஸ் Bahubali land. அவங்க ஒரு லாங்குவேஜ் that is the head which is felled down. Yeah.